What is up, guys? It's Guys, I'm Rose Guys here, coming back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing something different. My friend is going to be doing the Gamma Challenge, and yeah, Jaden is going to be doing the Gamma Challenge. He has some Gamma in his hand. So, you got anything to say before you do this? Well, I don't know why he's holding a pillow, but go when you're ready. Oh my god. Quick, see? Does he want to get wood? Jaden? What are you doing? Did you just spit it out?
Yeah.
Well, whatever. He still did it. Well, he did. Do you want to do it another time or whatever? Guys, yeah, that's it. So let's end this video. You guys enjoyed him doing the Gamma Challenge. So yeah, peace.